on the back.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to fix a sleek hair extension. So basically, I begin the recording immediately I undo my hair. And as you can clearly see, it's extremely dirty. So the combing African hair is something else. Very dirty, as I said. Now to the washing off camera. So this is the next day actually. I really got caught up, and so here's where we're going to start. We'll use water to make the hair moist for better results. I'll first go in with this comb. It works better to begin the process. Then add more water. Then we go in with the Ecostyler styling gel. And then we get a finer comb, or hairbrush rather. So I love to straighten the hair a little bit in the middle for a better grip, so the hair extension can be firmly held. So I love this extension because the color kinda resembles my natural hair. Then I use these two pins for just in case. They're not actually visible, it's just that my hair is zoomed. For my edges, I'll use this nice and lovely styling gel. Then I wrap using this to lay the edges well. One thing I love about this hair extension is that it's very light. I feel so much comfort wearing it, unlike many other extensions. So on this part, we are going to do a sleek low ponytail. This is a very simple one. Simple, easy way. The water is such an important aspect on this to lay the hair. Again with this brush to start up the process. This other brush makes the end process perfect. Then we wrap it up to lay it down. It's good if it stays overnight, but for the sake of this video, I removed a few minutes later. Yeah, this extension has a small clip to firmly hold on to the hair. Yeah, so guys, that's all for this video. Now I'm going to wrap it overnight for better results tomorrow morning. Bye.